So, Indices Laws. Quick run through. This revision, not lesson, because I am a terrible teacher, to be frank. If you times in subjects, then you add the powers. If you divide in subjects, then you take the powers. If you got a power to a power, then you're timesing the powers. Then anything to the power 1 is itself. 1 to the power of anything is 1. Minus 1 to the power of anything is also minus 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. If you want to add the subjects, the powers must be the same, because like terms and stuff, you should know that. A to the power of minus m is 1 over a to the power positive m. A to the power of half, the 2 is the square root, the 1 is the power, so the square root of a to the power 1. A to the power 2/3 is the cube root of a to the power 2, 2, cube root, square root 1. Powers, and what you do, square root, cube root. Right, hope you got that. If you're squaring 5 over 6, that's the same as 5 squared over 6 squared, 25 over 36. Same as the square root of 25 is square root of 36, same as square root of 25 over 36 equals 5 over 6. We're going to combine the rules quickly. So, a to the power minus 2 over 3, I'd get rid of the minus first. So we've got a to the power 2 over 3, and we've got that here, which is this. Then you add the 1 over that. I don't think, because you're putting the minus back on, so it's 1 over your answer. And then a fraction to a fraction, it's just no different. You just do what you do with a normal number. It's cube root of 27 over 8, which is the same as the cube root of 27 over the cube root of 8, which is just 3 over 2. Yeah. Then it's squared, same as 3 squared over 2 squared, which is 9 over 4. We can do 2 algebraic examples. 185 x to the power 12 to the power of third. So you split off the numerical value, the 185, from the x to the power 12. So let's see numerical value first. 5 to the power 1 over 3. By the way, it's negative. No, it's not negative. Sorry, it's just 1 over 3. It's just 5. Cube root of 125 is 5. X to the power 12 to the power 1 over 3 is 12 times 1 over third. We are using the timesing rule, not this rule, because it is a power to a power, not this. So don't be cube rooting the 12 or anything. So 12 to the power times 12 to the power third is 12 times a third, which equals 4. It's x to the power 4. You add the numerical value back to the algebraic thing, which is 5x to the power 4. Now we're going to do another algebraic example with the combination rules as well. So, 4x squared to the power 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2. So you want to get rid of the minus first, and then you want to split up this and this. So we got 4 to the power 3 over 2, and x squared to the power 3 over 2, which is just 2 times 3 over 2, and that equals 3. And you've got that. Then you square root of 4 using the rule again, so it's just 2 cubed, and that's equal to 8. X to the power 3, that should be. So, and you add them together, you get 8x to the power 3. So that's look a little long. There we go. Alright. Let's go over that again. Indices laws. Times, you add, divide, you take powers, you times. 1 equals itself. 1 to the power of anything is 1. On anything to the power 0 is 1. Anything to the negative is 1 over the positive. Anything to the power half, or anything fraction, is bottom, what you do to it, top is the power. Remember, 5 over 6 squared is the same as 5 squared over 6 squared, same as square root. There we go. Thank you. Bye bye.